Hello and welcome to Quick Tips. In this video, we will discuss Moz Pro free trial. Moz Pro is one of the best SEO tools which will help you improve the rankings of your website in the search engine results. Moz already has given completely free access to some of the SEO tools. Moz Pro is a paid tool, however you can get a 30 days free trial. I will show you the features of the free tools as well as Moz Pro paid tool. So let's start with the video.
Hello and welcome to Quick Tips. As I said earlier, Moz has two types of free trial accounts. The first one is completely free access to some of the Moz tools. Moz has already given limited access to some of their free SEO tools. Now you just need to create an account on Moz website for that. The second option is 30 days free trial of Moz Pro paid account. Now you can also check my website for detailed information about Moz Pro features. I'll give you the link in the description box. So right now we are on the Moz website, that is moz.com. Now here you will see an option, free SEO tools. You can click on it and it will go to this page. Here you will see the free tools offered by Moz. You do not need to pay anything for these tools. You can use them free. Now which are the tools? The Keyword Explorer. Now this tool is definitely going to help you improve your search engine optimization, and it will help you your website rankings in search engine. Whenever you work on SEO, the first thing you're going to work on is keyword. You need to find out a proper keyword for your website or for your YouTube video. Now this tool is going to help you. The second one is Link Explorer. The Link Explorer is going to give you the details of that particular link, how many backlinks are there for this link and how worth is that link. So you can spy on your competitors' website. Now you can check the backlinks they are getting to that particular link, and according to that you can also try to get backlinks to your website also. This is the purpose of Link Explorer. I will show you how to use it. The third option is the Moz Bar. Now this is one of the plugin that you are going to install on the Chrome browser. Whenever you search on the Google, it will show you the statistics of that particular search result in Google search. So according to that you can check which search result is at the top and what are the statistics of that particular search result. Now the fourth option is My Online Presence. This is mainly used for the local businesses, the local search engine optimization. If you are running local business and you want to show the business whenever someone search for a particular service in that particular area, it will be shown in the map. So that's what the local business is for. So this is also going to help you if you are running a local business. The free domain analysis is a complete analysis of your domain. You just need to enter the domain and it will give you the statistics of the domain also. The Moz cost, I don't think that is going to help you a lot. So let's check. Now first we are going to check how to get access to these tools, because right now if you click on it and if you enter any search query here, it's not going to show you any result. That's right, it will ask you to create an account on Moz. You need to create an account to use these free tools. So you just need to enter the email address, display name and password. Then you can select one of these industries and agree and then create an account. I already have an account, so let me log into the account. Alright, I'm logged into the Moz account. It's a completely free account, okay? So now here you can see the Keyword Explorer option is at the top. This is what the Keyword Explorer is. Let me enter the keyword here again. This is one of the technical keyword I am looking for. I already have one website running, technical website running. So let me show you. I have selected United States and I'm going to click on Analyze. Now it is going to analyze that particular keyword. It is going to load the results. It will show you the monthly volume of that particular keyword, what is the difficulty and organic click-through rate. Now it will also give you the suggestions, keyword suggestions are there. Now this is what you can see, the monthly volume, everything is there. Now this is the monthly volume for that particular keyword, 4.3k to 6.5k. The difficulty is there, and here you will see which websites are already linking for that particular keyword. All right, let's see what happens. Now here you will see the websites ranking for that particular keyword. Now let's try one more keyword here. This is one of, I'm looking for the router setup. This is one of the Linksys wireless router. Now you see 100 to 200 and the difficulty is 25. Here is the list of the website. This is one of my website linking at the position 3 here. Alright, so this is what the keyword explorer is. Now let's move on to the next free tool, that is Link Explorer. Okay, now let me show you. Let's take one of the link here, this link, and see what happens when we enter this link, analyze. Now this tool is going to analyze that particular link. And you can see the page authority is there, domain authority, linking domains. That means 23 links are getting for 23 domains are linking to this particular link or the URL, and total inbound links are 81. All right, you can see the links are there. If you click on it, it will show the links, which links are getting there. All right, so what you can do, you can take your competitor's website and you can put their link, the particular URL, and analyze it. Now you will get the report of that particular URL, and from there you can see which websites are linking back to your competitor's website. So accordingly you can also try to get backlinks from those websites. So this is how it's going to help you. Now let's move on to Moz toolbar. Let me show you. This is the Moz bar. You need to click on download and install it on your Chrome browser. Let's try it. Let's click on add to Chrome, add extension. We have Google. Let's try. Okay, the bar is activated. I have just entered some keyword in this Google search, and you can see now the details of all the results. Now you can see the statistics of all the results in the Google search. The page rank, the domain authority, page authority, the links. Here you will see my website is also ranking for that particular keyword. This is a new website, so you will not see domain authority and page authority a lot. 10 backlinks are there. All right, so this is how this Moz bar is going to help you. Now let's move on to the next, my online presence. As I said earlier, this is mostly for the local businesses. If you are running local business, you can enter the company name here, the street and the number and a zip code. Now what happens when you enter these details and click on check now, it is going to crawl through the main directories, you can say, like Google Business and Facebook and Yahoo. It will go ahead and check all the local business listings. Look for your business details on those directories. It will look for the listings of your business on different websites and directories. It is also called as citation. If you know about local SEO, you will know citation is really important for local search engine optimization. So Moz Local checks your citations on Google, Google Maps, Facebook, Bing, and other local search engines and directories. Now, free domain analysis. It will give you the details of the domain that you are going to enter. So let's try one of the domain here, and it will show the details of that particular domain. This is one of my old website, and this is almost 10 years old, maybe more than that. Domain authority, the linking root domains, and the rating keywords, spam core. Now these are the pages. Okay, you can see the analysis, the statistics of one of my websites. All right, so these 5 tools are going to help you a lot. Now let's see the last one also. Okay, this is something weather for Tuesday. Moscow is a weather report showing turbulence in Google algorithm over the previous days. So I'm not sure how I'm going to use it, so I have never used this one. Now let's move on to the paid tool. The second option is the Moz Pro paid account. You can see it here. Learn more about Moz Pro. So apart from all these free tools, you can have some other features in Pro account. Now let me show you. Let's first check the pricing of the Pro account. If you're looking for SEO work on a single website, then you can go for the basic plan, that is $99. Now if you click on compare, you will see all the details here, keyword rankings, what you're going to get in this standard, medium, large and premium plan is all mentioned here. The standard plan is enough for 1 or 2 websites. Now if you want a free trial, you can click on try it free, and you will be able to get free access to all the paid features for 30 days. So this is what will be very useful for you. You can enter the details here, the credit card number and expiration date, and all the details you need to enter here. And you see the charge is $0, so it's not going to charge you anything for the next 30 days. So for the first 30 days you can use it for completely free. Now you can see what's included: access to the most trusted SEO data, the full suite of SEO tools to drive insights and reporting, personalized walkthrough. So you will get all these features in this Pro tool. You can try to get as much data as possible within this 30 days free trial. Once you get all this data, try to work on the data, and I guess it will be good enough for you to work for more than 2 to 3 months. Okay, so what you can do, you can cancel the subscription before the 30 days free trial is over. Okay, and start working on the data. It will give you enough data for 2-3 months. And if you think this tool is really going to help you, then you can restart the subscription. Alright, so this is how I do. I go for a free plan first. I'll check all the tools and I try to gather as much information as possible within the free trial. Okay, and then I work on this data, and that data is mostly good enough for 2-3 months work. Okay, and if I like it, then I only continue with the paid plan. Alright, so that's it for now. Thanks for watching.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.